Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk to you how to easily fix this copper pipeline. If water is leaking very small hole, and how can easily you can fix this. In order to fix this one, you need these very small tools. I'm showing you need this flat screwdriver and clamp, and also Allen shelled tab. You will get this Allen shelled tab in Home Depot or any hardware store. Just you can it's very easily wrap this pipeline and then attach this clamp. It's very easy job. You can fix this one. This is the Allen shelled tab I'm showing you now, and also clamp you need to fix this pipeline. Before you do this one, make sure turn off this water line. Just turn off this bulb, hot water and cold water bulb. Now I'm going to show you how to fix this one. Just I want to make sure all of water bulb is closed. Now I take this small paper towel and make sure clean up this surface surround this pipeline, and make sure there is no debris accumulated there, and then it will be easily wrap this tab and it will attach this pipeline properly. That's why I'm going to clean up. Now I'm going to show you how can connect this clamp to the pipeline. After wrapping this tab on the top of tab, you need to connect this clamp. Just make sure there is no water dripping. That's why I'm using this clamp. Just using this small flat screwdriver to attach this one and make sure they're properly tight. So now is everything done. I turn back this hot water and cold water, and there is no water leaking now. You see this, I'm showing you very clearly. This tab, on the top of tab I put this clamp, and there is no water leaking, no dripping. Job is done. If you are not comfortable to do this job, I recommend you call this plumber or professional guy, those who can do the job. Thank you.